Welcome to Basic Maths. Today we want to look at compound angle, how to derive sin A plus B is equals to cos A sin B plus cos B sin A. Remember to subscribe. So here, first of all, we shall have a triangle with sides C, D. Then you have this side. We have a perpendicular bisector. We have this one to be B, this one to be A. We have this part, the Roman 1 part, then you have the Roman 2 part. Then we have this perpendicular bisector as E. Then you have angle B, then you have angle A. So here what you do, first of all, you find the area of the whole triangle. Now the area, you know, it is given by half base multiplied by height. So the whole triangle, which is Roman 1 and Roman 2. So you have half base times height. So the height is E, then the base we have A plus B. So we have the base, which is A plus B. Then your height is E. Now we go to this part, from one part, triangle, this triangle, the area, that's Roman 1, no area is given by half AB sine theta. So we have half, you have AB, so you have CE, and you have the sine of A. Then for Roman 2, this part we have half ED, and you have sine B. Because we can get the area of a triangle using this formula. Area is equal to half AB sin theta if you have two sides which form an angle theta. So it means the total area, which is the sum of Roman 1 and Roman 2, will be equal to when you sum these two areas. So we have half A plus B times E is equals to half CE sin A plus half ED sin B. So you can remove half, multiply by 2 throughout, so we should remain with A plus B. E is equals to CE sin A plus we have ED then we have sin B, So this part also it can be given by half AB, which is CD, then you have the sine of A plus B. Because you know the total area also you can get using half AB sin theta, which is the angle here is A plus B, then you have the side CD. So you have half CD then sine A plus B. So since we have removed the half, so we can replace this one with this one. So you have CD sine A plus B, which is equals to CE sin A plus ED sin B. So you can divide by CD throughout. If you divide by CD throughout, you realize that C and C will cancel. So you remain with sine A plus B. C and C will cancel, so remain with E over D. And you have sine A plus, divide by CD throughout, so D and D will cancel, remain with E over C sine B. So you will have sine A plus B is equals to E over D. E over D. This one is the adjacent, this one is the hypotenuse to this angle. So adjacent over hypotenuse, this angle which is cos. So cos B is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have cos B sine A plus A over C. This is adjacent to angle A and this one is hypotenuse to angle A. So adjacent over hypotenuse, you have cos A. So you have cos A sine B. Up to there, have your proof.